Hello, I'm Parker Hendricks with Radin Dynamics. If you're a manufacturer, this video is for you. If not, feel free to look at what we've built, but also check out our non-manufacturing solution, Radin CRM. All right, makers, let's dive in. We've been working for manufacturers for several years. Even back when Microsoft was just CRM, it's now Dynamics. Even when CRM was just getting started, we were already helping close operational gaps in sales, in service, and in marketing. Fast forward to 2025. Robots have cobots, materials have nanomaterials, factories are evolving into smart factories. The world has changed, but so have we. Introducing Radin Forge, the CRM that was built with manufacturers for manufacturers. It's designed to grow with you and meet the demands of the future. Think of it as new iron, a powerful complement to your existing operations that transforms how you see and how you use data. With Radin Forge, you can count on all of these features. You'll also gain visibility into predictive and preventative maintenance. Your sales team will have access to historical data, AI-driven insights, all that help them close and retain more clients. Your technicians will receive real-time updates when action is needed on the floor or off-site. And your C-suite gets a unified, data-rich view to make confident strategic decisions, all within a Microsoft-backed ecosystem. I could go on for days about functionality, but my AI insights tell me that would probably bore you, so I'll spare you the deep dive. But check us out. Schedule a call. Invite us in for an audit. Let's forge the future together.